Okay, we're going to do a little tutorial on how just regular old baking soda. We have white oak, mahogany, cherry, and ash. Okay, so now what we're going to do Okay, so here we go. Here we got cherry, and I sprayed it with a little bit of lacquer, high gloss, and I love cherry. I just don't like it by using this method. It just doesn't look right. Then you have mahogany. Now mahogany, as you can see, it really seems to look good in there. I mean, you can see, I got a little run there, but it's just for show. So the idea is for that burning to spread out, fan out, and kind of make lightning. And mahogany really does that. That looks really good. Love mahogany, and I love it for doing that. I think it's because it's soft enough and it'll allow that water to penetrate the fibers, and then it just branches out. I think that's pretty much it. Then we have white oak. White oak it's okay, but it just doesn't seem to do the fan. It doesn't fan out like the mahogany really fans out, because it's a lot harder. Same thing with the cherry is pretty hard and dense, and it doesn't accept the water. And here we have ash. Now ash, ash is fairly soft, and it's light colored, so it really shows up. I mean, it's a good contrast. You have just a really good contrast. It looks like you're looking at a topographical map, and it shows valleys or where the rivers are, or if we're looking at a moonscape of Mars or something. It's just really cool. Like, yeah, it looks like drainages or something. Anyway, I really think that for me, ash may be the winner here. You can put together in the comments what you think is the best. I like ash, and I think my next one is going to be mahogany. That is beautiful. Very good.